Hey everyone, welcome to yet another video where in this video I'm going to be focusing on why consistency is important in marketing. So make sure you hit the subscribe button because that's how you can get access to all my videos, and make sure that at the end of this video you like, you comment and you share this so that other entrepreneurs can benefit, because I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of examples of how you can apply consistency to make sure that your marketing is successful. So make sure that you stay till the end. So, you know already, you've heard this many times that consistency is important in marketing. But you know the challenge. People are not consistent. People are not able to ensure that they're putting out their marketing strategy implementation in a regular, consistent manner. And as a result of that, they compromise on the outcome of marketing itself. So first, let's understand why is consistency important in marketing. Let's understand the objective of marketing. There are pretty much three objectives of marketing according to me. Number one, visibility. And visibility happens only when you're consistent. You can't just show yourself to your target audience once in a while because they're going to forget you. If you want to make a mark in your target audience's mind that you are someone who's there, you are someone who's significant enough, you got to make sure that you're consistent. Not once in a while, but almost every single day. That's one of the reasons why consistency is important. The second objective of marketing is credibility. Now, only when you are consistently showcasing your abilities to your target audience will they see enough proof and enough evidence to take you seriously enough for you to gain that credibility. And that cannot happen without consistency. Obviously, once in a while, if you're going to just show up and throw some value bombs, it's not going to help at all. And the third objective of marketing is ultimately lead generation. And that is an output of visibility plus credibility at the end of the day. And it cannot happen without consistency. And that's why consistency is so important. And a big quality which you require as a business owner for you to make sure that you're consistent is that you got to be proactive. Not reactive, but proactive, which means that you need to stay ahead of the game. You can't do it once in a while. You can't implement marketing strategies when you have the time. You got to do it no matter what. And I'm going to give you two examples of two strategies where how a lack of consistency can create a problem and what you need to do to make sure that you're consistent. One marketing strategy is content marketing in the form of digital mediums, and all of you know that this is one of the most popular and the most effective marketing strategy today to create that visibility as well as credibility so that there's lead generation happening. But it's also one of the most challenging strategies to implement because if you are not consistent in content marketing, you very, very, very rarely get the outcome of what you want. Think about it. Content marketing includes you curating a lot of content, putting that content out there in the form of videos, in the form of posters, in the form of, multiple different mediums. And then it needs to ensure that it's creating certain traction with your following, adding value to your followers, building credibility with your followers so that they look at you with confidence that you can solve their problem and eventually become leads for you so that you can do business with them. And problem with people is that they make content when they want. They randomly, when they have the time, they'll go out there to a free website and they'll make a poster and they'll put it out there hoping that they're going to generate leads. And they don't back it up with consistency. And they ask themselves a question that I spend X amount of money, I spend X amount of time and I do not get any leads. Boss, you do not get any leads because you were not consistent. As simple as that. The solution is not to just do a poster whenever you want. I've seen so many people randomly when they're going out there to a fancy place, they'll remove their phone, they'll take a video of themselves and they'll talk about something which they want to add value for. Just because you do it once in a while doesn't mean suddenly 1,000 followers are going to follow you and you're going to get 100 customers out of that. It's not going to happen. Consistency is equal to you not doing it once in a while, but for you to do it every single day. That's the need of the hour today. I'm telling you, that's the minimum benchmark, no matter what business you are in. Which means that for you to be able to pull that off and not spend the entire day just doing that, you got to work at least 3 months in advance. I'll tell you why this is important. If you don't work 3 months in advance, you land up every single day thinking about, so what do I do today when it comes to content marketing? What should I churn out today? And you'll spend the entire day just working on that. And it becomes a pressure point every single day. And your focus as an entrepreneur will shift to developing content and not to doing your business. That's not how it works. You got to work 3 months in advance, which means that you got to spend 2, 3, 4, 5, how many more days it takes to complete curating content for the next 3 months. so that you don't have to worry about what content you're going to put out there. And then either you hire people or you outsource people to convert that content into different kind of digital platforms. I mean into collateral where you're going to distribute that content. It could be posters, it could be videos, it could be any form of method you're going to use to transfer that content to your consumer. And then so an outsourced team or an in-house team goes out there and executes it, so that you don't focus on how it's done. When you work 3 months in advance, can you make sure that you have that consistency, which will give you that visibility, which will establish that credibility, and eventually lead to leads, which is the point of you doing content marketing. So I'm sure you understand why consistency is important in content marketing. Let me give you another example in the form of another marketing strategy, which is telemarketing. And however age old it is still one of the most required as well as one of the most effective marketing strategies to convert B2B leads into sales. So a lot of people need to set up meetings, not just B2B, even B2C, but a lot of people need to pick up the phone and set up meetings with potential clients so that they get an opportunity to pitch their products. All right. And again, in this strategy, consistency is extremely required. And I've seen so many people who would make calls to set up meetings only when they don't have a pipeline for sales. It's like, I don't have leads, I don't have customers to sell to, so let me set up a few meetings so that I have an opportunity to present, and hopefully I get 1 or 2 customers out of that activity. Obviously, when you get those 1 or 2 customers, you're going to get busy serving those customers, and again you're going to go back to square one, because once you finish serving that customers and you get your money in, you don't have a pipeline for you to get business for the next few months. Why? Because you were not consistent. The activity of telemarketing to set up meetings is very different from the activity of converting those meetings into sales. And irrespective of the outcome of both these activities, they need to happen consistently, because you need to build a pipeline. You don't want to get into a situation where you're hand to mouth, where for some time of the month you're focusing on setting up meetings, and for another time of the month you're focusing on converting those meetings into sales. You will never be able to rest. You're always going to be firefighting as a result of that, and it's going to be pressureful throughout the year for you. So you want to make sure that you have enough effort or a team in place to make sure that no matter what, you have a minimum number of meetings which are being set up, irrespective of the outcome, every single month. So you have enough of a base pipeline for you to utilize that meetings, play the numbers game, and eventually convert that into business. And that's how you can build a pipeline to make sure that revenue is generated consistently, ultimately as a result of this telemarketing activity. So the reason why I gave you these 2 examples in the form of strategies is so that you understand what is the significance of consistency in any marketing strategy you use. It could be webinars, it could be seminars, it could be doing promotional activities, it could be exhibitions, whichever marketing strategy you use. The fundamental requirement for it to be successful, to give you the outcome you desire, is consistency. Because if your marketing is not consistent, it's not marketing. Do not ever fool yourself. So make sure you're consistent. That's the bottom line foundation of marketing. If you like what I just shared with you, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure that you comment and ask me your questions. And please share this with other entrepreneurs whom you feel can really receive value and improve their consistency in marketing. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get access to all the videos as a part of my channel. In the meanwhile, I'm going to see you soon in my next video.